everyone, so today's activity will be a group debate online through Zoom. Two groups will debate about abiogenesis and biogenesis. What are their understanding of abiogenesis and biogenesis? And what comes to their minds when they hear the word abiogenesis or biogenesis? The rules of this debate is just as easy as this. 1. Do not interrupt other speakers while they are speaking. 2. Stay calm. 3. Do not shout or talk loudly. 4. He who asserts must prove in order to establish an assertion. The team must support it with enough evidence and logic to convince an intelligent. 5. Facts must be accurate. 6. Each team has the freedom to question the other team. That's all. Let me introduce to you the abiogenesis group first. Sais Kusik Dawal and Lian May Abria. Then second, the biogenesis group. Jits Aaron Salvador and Resi Rutersos. Team Abiogenesis will be named Team A and Biogenesis will be Team B. Are you ready? Let's start the debate. The first question is, what comes to your mind about the topic that has been given to you? Each group can only answer the topic that has been given to them. Team A is abiogenesis and Team B is biogenesis. You can freely question and disagree with the answer of the other group. You may prove a certain explanation.
When I hear the word abiogenesis, I simply understand that the origin of life is from non-living matters. I also believe in this theory that living things arise from non-living things.
Yes, Miss Abria, I totally agree with you. For example, whenever meat is left pure, it will generate flies in an amount of time. We have also heard the theory in the evolution of early life on Earth that organic molecules and subsequent simple life forms first originated from inorganic substances.
I beg to disagree with you two. Living things also arise from living things. Just like the reproduction of humans, a non-living matter are not organized into cells, which means without the host cell, they simply can't replicate. For example, when you leave a rock in an empty room, will life arise from it, or will the stone generate flies? Anyways, when I hear the word biogenesis, life or the development of life is only from pre-existing life.
Yes, Aaron is right. As you have said, without a host cell, they simply can't replicate. A non-living entity, for example, lacks essential components of life, means that they don't have a live cell that develops, metabolizes, responds to external stimuli, adapts, and reproduces.
Okay guys, that's enough for now. Team A and B, what can you say about the evolution and reproduction of living things?
Ideas can be expressed as non-living matter that only alive inside a mind. They reproduce and evolve. Also, crystals do the same thing. They reproduce by time. Living things come from non-living matter.
For me, the evolution of living things are changing time over time. It allows them to reproduce and survive. Reproduction is where the plants and animals give rise to offspring. Unlike abiogenesis, they don't experience evolution or reproduction since the theory that life comes from non-living things is only a hypothesis.
Okay, that's it. Now that we know the side of both groups, here's the final question. Accurately and appropriately, what is the most accepted theory? Abiogenesis or biogenesis?
For me, it is abiogenesis that is currently accepted, which is according to the conventional hypothesis, the earliest living cells emerged as a result of chemical evolution on our planet billions of years ago. I believe that life arises from non-living matters.
Abiogenesis is already been disproved. It is just a hypothesis and not a fact. For example, I have a piece of paper and when I take it, it just turned into two. According to my research, the fact that abiogenesis can occur are less probable. The odds against are less than 1 expected in 51,200 events. Abiogenesis has not been proven yet by scientific explanations or experiments. Biogenesis is already been proven. Biogenesis has metabolic processes that helps reproduction over time, generation by generation.
I know abiogenesis is not proven, But that's also the point because many scientists can develop it.
Yes, Miss Abria. Let us say that abiogenesis is not just a hypothesis. It is a theory. This theory might change and develop.
Wow, that was a really powerful debate, but you all have stated your reasons and you all have proven your answers.